What is going on, YouTube? Thrift School over here, coming at you with a quick video. I just wanted to show you guys what sold for me on eBay today, and what I found so interesting about this sale right over here is that none other like this were even sold on eBay. Now, there had been a few like it. This is a Pittsburgh ultrasonic laser meter thingy. I don't even really know what it is, but there had been a few listed, and I found mine downstairs in a box. Now, I paid $1 at a tag sale for this thing. I did not spend that much on it. I sold it for just under 15 bucks, free shipping. It cost me $4 something to ship, so not too bad. I didn't make a lot of money on it, but originally when I picked it up and I scanned it into Amazon, there was no listing for it. So I was like, all right, let's put it on eBay. I looked at the eBay listings and the solds and the completeds, and none had sold, but there had been a few listed. So in my mind, I thought, I'm just gonna donate this to Goodwill. I'm just gonna get rid of it, get it out of the house, and it won't take up any space anymore, and I didn't waste my time listing it. But something in me said, you know what, just list it, just list all these things, whatever happens, happens. Now, I listed a bunch of Nintendo 64 controllers, some video games, and this thing, right? And a couple MP3 players. All of that stuff hasn't sold yet, but this random Pittsburgh ultrasonic thing sold. Even though the Nintendo 64 controllers, I'm priced the lowest for that color, still hasn't sold. Very odd to me. And this one thing without any sales had sold. So, guys, don't disregard things that don't have a great sales history. Now, honestly, you don't want to be going out to your stores and buying things that show no sales, but if you have some stuff laying around the house, or if you previously bought something and maybe you think it's a bad buy, list it anyways. It only took me about 2 minutes and it still sold, and I still got money for it. Now, also, I sold 2 more things. Not a great day of sales, honestly, but you could see them right up here. We sold a Fitbit that I bought for myself personally, used on Facebook Marketplace or something like that. I ended up not liking it, so I sold it, got my money back for it, so I didn't really make too much money there, but I bought it a while ago. So if you buy things, you know, 3, 4, 5 years ago, whenever you buy something, it's still money back into your pocket. Even if you're losing money on it, don't think of it as a loss. You originally bought it as yourself, for yourself, and now you can resell it and recoup some of your costs, invest it into something else. And the other thing I sold was this Harvest Moon video game for just over $13, I believe. Not a bad sale, not a great one, but not a bad one. I'm happy about that. Now, guys, I want to let you know I am going to be doing an interview with the Thrifty Flamingo YouTube channel on this channel Monday, 8 p.m. It's a 30-minute long interview, 8 to 8:30, and we're talking about Poshmark. I know very little about Poshmark, guys. I posted my very first video of me listing things on Poshmark. You can see it right here, not too long ago. Me transferring over some eBay listings there. These guys specialize in it. They know all about it. So I figured what better than to have them onto my channel. I will learn more. You guys will learn more, and you could ask your questions live. We will answer them. Like I said, it's a 30-minute long show, so hopefully I can see you guys there Monday at 8 p.m. right here on the Thrift School YouTube channel. It's going to be fun. We're going to, you know, ask lots of questions, answer lots of questions, hopefully. Hopefully, that's the plan. If you did like this short little video, now I do have another video coming out probably tomorrow. My girlfriend's really sick right now, so I've been taking care of her, running out to the store, doing all these things, so I'm a little busy right now, but probably tomorrow I went to 2 Goodwills and I filmed inside of both of them. I picked up some cool things. I want to show you guys that stuff. Now, I might end up going to a 3rd Goodwill today or tomorrow in between, so I can even add that into the video. Hopefully I find some more cool stuff, so keep tuned for that video coming out, I believe, tomorrow. If you did like this one, though, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions at all, subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School, signing out. See ya.